Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be filming a room tour because one of my subscribers requested that I do a room tour, so that's exactly what I'm going to be doing today. So if you enjoyed this video at any time, please be sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below what videos I should do in the future. I'm going to start uploading a new video every single day this summer, so if you have any requests that you want me to do on my channel, definitely comment them down below. I'll be honoring a lot of your requests. And without further ado, let's get on into this video. So as you can see right here, this is the front door of my room, and it has this sign right here that says Cameryn's room. Has my little college flag right here. If you did not know, I'm going to UIS, which is the University of Illinois Springfield, and I have a lot of pictures of me from recent or from when I was little. Open my door and go in my room. So when you first walk into my room, on the back of my door is my mirror, full-length mirror. That is what I use to look at my outfit for the day, and just so I always know what I look like before I leave the house or before I leave my room. So that's there. And on this side of my wall I have just some papers and stickers that I've gotten from packages and stores and stuff that I've bought. And this is my map, which is a scratch off United States map, which I scratch off every time I go to a US state. And this one will be scratched off really soon because me and my family are taking a trip to Texas later this summer, so I'm very excited. We're definitely going to vlog that. And then below that is one of my UIS flags that I got from my school, which is the college I'm going to. So next is my closet, which I will give you a very brief waft of my closet. It is very, very, very packed and has a lot of stuff in it. And if you want me to do a closet tour in depth of everything in my closet, I will definitely do it. Just comment down below. Here's my shoes, all my shoes and clothes I gotta hang up, but definitely comment down below if you want me to do a closet tour on my clothes, and then some scrapbooks and pillows and blankets and stuff. So that's my closet, and I will definitely do a in-depth closet tour in another video. But next to my closet is my postcard wall, which, if you know me at all, postcards are my signature souvenir every time I go somewhere. Not only are they very cheap, but it's just something that I've started to collect, and I'm very excited because it's starting to fill up, and I'm starting to almost fill this entire wall, so very excited about that. And then next to my closet is my bed, and if you do not know, I do have a loft bed, and it's really nice because I have a bed up top and I have my couch on the bottom, which, sorry, my couch is messy. I'm getting ready. I'm packing right now, actually. I'm about to go to Atlanta for a couple days with my dad for this convention, but just have some pillows on my couch, and then right here next to my bed is a desk for my other desk, which I'll show you in a minute, that me and my dad have yet to put together. So I'm definitely going to do that, maybe when I go to college, or maybe keep it in storage while I'm in college, and then when I move into an apartment or something, have that there. And then I have next to my bed, sorry, this area is very messy, but I have a garbage bag full of t-shirts, and then more t-shirts right here. And then right here is some sticky notes that I actually counted up. There is 48 t-shirts right here in this pile that I'm going to be making a t-shirt quilt. I've seen a lot on Pinterest where a lot of people make t-shirt quilts out of their old high school t-shirts, so I'm definitely going to be doing that before I go to college as a nice little memento to take with me. And then this is the start of my giveaway pile. So this is just shirts and stuff that I have yet to give away, but I will be giving away very soon. And then underneath the pile of shirts is my keyboard, because if you did not know, I do play piano, and I have been playing piano for almost 12 years now, since I was in the first grade, so I like to practice a little bit here and there. And then underneath that is more stuff. I have my ukulele. Actually, I want to keep learning how to play the ukulele. My dad got this when he went to Hawaii, and I have my little ukulele book back there. But this is kind of like Instrument Central. I have my piano books right there and my other band books, because I used to play in the band at my high school, and my trumpet case is right there. So yeah, this was like my music slash giveaway slash t-shirt area. And then right here is my tripod right here that I use to film a lot of my videos. And then moving on, next to my keyboard is my dresser, and this actually is the pile of back to school goodies that I'll be doing a back to school giveaway when the time comes. This is a lot of locker shelves and more stuff that are in here that I cannot wait to show you. I will be doing a back to school giveaway this year because I am going off to college, and a lot of things that I used for high school I no longer need to use, so I'll definitely be doing a giveaway. And over here I just have some decor that I made at a summer camp a couple years ago. This is my lava lamp. It does turn on. Right here, it does turn on. I got it for Christmas last year. Right here is my, thank you. Right here is my London souvenir pile. I went to London last year, if you did not know, and it was a very fun trip. And right here is my London snow globe. And underneath that I have a London mug, and this is the tin of chocolate chip cookies that our hotel gave us when we checked into the room. They were so good. They had like oats in it. And then over here is my collection of Starbucks mugs that I'm trying to figure out a craft I can do with them, but for now they're just gonna sit here. My C, my hashtag sign that does turn on right here. It does turn on. And then I have my Coke bottle from when I visited the World of Coca-Cola in Atlanta 2 years ago. So that's just like a memory thing. This is a little party favor that I got from one of my friends at her birthday. And then my brother got me this World's Greatest Sister Grammy award, so thank you, Jackson, if you're watching this video, but she's probably not. But yeah, so in here is my drawers, and this drawer has my socks, underwear, bras, coat, like fuzzy socks and all that stuff. This drawer has all my pajamas. This drawer has all of my t-shirts, and this drawer has all of my shorts in it. And then moving along to the other side of the room, this is a whole huge pile of balloons that I got for graduation, and that were hung at my graduation party, that are just sitting right here on my big fluffy kind of couch chair. It's so comfy. It's this dark teal color with a fluffy dark blue blanket. I love this chair. I sit in it pretty much all day long. And so that the chair is right in front of my really, really big window in my room. My room is the biggest room in the house, so I have a nice view of my backyard over there, and there's a big tree in the middle of the window, so you can't really see it that well, but I absolutely love my room a lot. And then moving on to my desk, I'm going to give you a brief scan of my desk. There's my MacBook right there, and my desk chair. If you want me to do a in-depth desk tour, definitely comment down below and I'll do it. And then moving along, my trash can, some trash that I have to take upstairs. This is like my photo central type of area. It has a lot of photos of my family and friends. My Polaroid camera, a photo frame that I gotta put a photo in. This, which my grandma passed down to me, of all her diamond animal shapes. And some books and almanacs and cookbooks and stuff that I just like to read every once in a while. And I have a huge thing of bookmarks that I have yet to either give away or use, and then just more memory books of like when I've gone to plays or productions or just other events that I keep books from. And then moving on to the other side of my room, I do have a TV. It has Netflix, YouTube. I love watching especially Netflix on here. And on top of the desk with it is a candle that I have, this thing that I got for my mom for Christmas. It's a little black angel, because if you didn't know already, I am African American, I am black. And I have some more decor here, and this is just something I have to mail to a friend. And then also, this is my drawer right here. I can go really quick what's in the drawer. So in this drawer is kind of like my accessories drawer slash extra stuff. I have extra perfume, deodorant, sunscreen, hair ties, so scrunchies, my hair scarf that I use to tie my hair at night, and my nail stuff, and just extra stuff that I like to keep in here. And then in this drawer, I have a lot more accessories. So like during homecoming week and stuff when I was in high school, I had bandanas, you think of it, I have it, lays, tights, scarves, literally anything and everything that you would want to dress up as. So this is like my dress up center. And then over here is my exercise clothes, which right here I divided into my shorts, and over here are my tops. And then in this last cubby over here, I keep all of my drawstring bags slash extra backpacks that I've collected over the years. And as you can tell, it's very full. I have some extra exercise clothes, which these are my cold weather exercise clothes. Sorry, I'm trying to fit it in my drawer. It's really stuffed in there. And then on the other side, I have this is my Lush bath bomb that I got for my birthday that I have yet to use. It smells like lemon. It's really good. And here, I do not know what I'm going to put in here yet, but it is empty. This might end up being like a candy drawer or a candy cubby or something. I have Fun Dip that I have not eaten. There's my TV remote right there. More decor, and I have another candle in here. Coconut smell. And then this is my miscellaneous drawer. It has like little activities. I have my camera in there, which should really be in my electronics drawer right here. So I just have my camera, my DS, a DVD case, some extra phone cases, which this one is kind of broken, but I just keep that all in there. And then this is my cords drawer, so I keep all of my phone chargers and all that extra technology cords stuff. This right here is more miscellaneous things. I have a lot of journals that I have yet to fill up with writing, and then some more Polaroid film, and then that Jelly Belly case that I got a while ago. And then in this drawer, it's like my memorabilia, I titled it. It has all of my memories, so like all my Polaroid pictures, signed water bottles from my friends, baseballs that I've caught at baseball games and stuff like that. And then if you have not seen that video, I'll actually put it in the corners, or I'll link it below. Me and my best friend to this day, my best friend in the entire world, Isabel, filmed a DIY fluffy slime video like I think almost 3 years ago, and I still have the slime. So comment down below if you remember that video. I still have the slime. And then when I got my Polaroid for Christmas, I also got this little thing that comes with some Polaroid decoration stuff to decorate the pictures. And then underneath that is like extra stuff for exercising, like sweatbands and watches and all that stuff. And then over here I have this little decor thing that I got from a debutante ball about a month ago that I put on top of my fan, which it does turn on. It's not on right now because it's actually really cold in here. So that is it for my room. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. My room is very big, but I am very happy with it, and this room will soon be very empty because I will be moving out for college soon. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my room. It is very big. I know it's the biggest room in our house, and I think my younger brother is gonna end up getting it when I move out of my house. So it's a win-win situation either way, because I can't wait to move out of my room and go to college in decorate my dorm, and I'm just so excited. So stay tuned for those videos. Again, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any video ideas you want me to do in the future, and this summer, because I am uploading a new video every single summer. And with that, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.